Part of being a responsible digital citizen is to make sure that you have rights to use the images that you select for your presentations. One way to help you do this is to use images that are licensed by Creative Commons. Although there are a number of different licenses, in most cases, when you are just inserting images into a school presentation, you can use any of the licenses that are listed. Although you don't need to provide attribution for public domain images, it's really good practice to cover yourself and to provide credit by adding attributions to all of the images that you use. You can learn more about the different types of Creative Commons licenses on their website. In addition, you can see that there's a link to search for CC images at the top. This is a very easy way to add Creative Commons images and get the attribution all at the same time. So we can do a search for Sagrada Familia, for instance, and it found over 10,000 different images. If you find an image that you would like to use, you can click on it. I can copy the image, paste it into my presentation, and then if I go back, you can see all of the specific license information, which does include that you need to credit the creator. Um, as a school, you are doing non-commercial use. You can go ahead under this credit the creator section, copy the citation, and then paste the citation by your photo in your presentation. You can make the font a little bit smaller if you want to make it a little bit less noticeable in terms of being a distraction for your presentation, and move it where you want it. And now you have a beautiful image that you have the rights to use with the proper attribution as well.